Hello friends, any tile can be used as wall tile, but not all tiles can be used as floor tiles. The difference between floor tile and wall tile is critical because it could make or break the functionality of your space. So in this video, we will discuss the differences between wall tile and floor tiles. So let us start. Types of load. Wall tiles are not subjected to any traffic load or any abrasive wear and tear. However, gravitational load always acts on them, trying to pull them down. Hence, they should be as lightweight as possible. Whereas, floor tiles are subjected to heavy traffic load as well as related wear and tear. Hence, they have to be strong. Thickness. Wall tile tends to be thinner, smoother, and more delicate, which is why wall tile is not recommended underfoot. On the other hand, floor tile is made thicker and harder to withstand foot traffic, appliances, furniture, etc. And most have added texture to reduce the risk of slips. Size of tiles. As they are needed to be lightweight, wall tiles are usually smaller in size and thinner in texture. If you increase the size of tile, the thickness will get simultaneously increased. And if you increase the thickness, it will unnecessarily add to its weight, which may result in its fall over a period of time. On the other hand, as there is no restriction on weight, floor tiles can be of large size, thicker texture, and hence, for relevant reason, heavier. Further, as there is zero risk of drop down, these tiles are designed with larger size so that the number of joints decreases and contributes to its increasing its aesthetics. PEI rating. Mostly the tiles come labeled with Porcelain Enamel Institute rating, that is PEI rating. PEI rating defines hardness and durability. PEI ratings are usually buried within each tile specifications and they are a good determiner of where a tile can be used. The PEI number of 1 and 2 indicates that the tiles are suitable for walls only. PEI rating of 3 indicates that tiles are suitable for heavy residential foot traffic or light commercial floor use. PEI rating 4 indicates that tiles are suitable for commercial areas that receive heavy foot traffic such as grocery stores and banks. And PEI rating 5 indicates that tiles are for industrial use and can handle heavy foot traffic as well as exposure to chemicals. So in case of floor tiles, the PEI rating should be 3 to 5. Durability. Wall tiles are normally less durable than floor tiles and they are unable to hold much pressure as floor tiles can do. Whereas floor tiles are more durable than wall tiles. These tiles are more resistant to pressure and wear and tear. Maintenance. Wall tiles require lower maintenance and can be easily cleaned with water and soap. On the other hand, floor tiles need a higher level of maintenance. It requires special detergents and cleaning materials for day-to-day cleaning, cutting and installation. Wall tiles are thinner and lightweight, so they can be easily shaped, sized and cut and installed. These tiles can be easily cut with simple score and snap cutters. On the other hand, due to more thickness, floor tiles are slightly more difficult to cut than wall tiles. If the tile thickness is more, the use of power weight saw cutter is a good idea with these heavier tiles. Installation cost. In case of wall tiles, installation cost is lower as less amount of mortar is required. A bedding of cement mortar or cement slurry of 15 mm thickness is required for installing wall tiles. Whereas in case of floor tiles, installation cost is higher as mortar thickness is more. Generally, minimum 25 mm cement mortar bedding is used for installing floor tiles. So is it okay to use wall tiles on the floor or floor tiles on wall? The answer is no. Wall tiles are not suitable to use as floor tiles because they are smaller in size, thinner in texture, Hence, they are not durable enough for a floor surface. If wall tiles are used on floor, the tiles will show less adaptability to high traffic loads, and there is a risk that the exerted high pressure may create cracks, causing the breakage of tiles. Further, more number of joints will compromise the consistent beauty of the floor. Floor tiles and wall tiles cannot work interchangeably because the size of the floor tiles is bigger than wall tiles. Floor tiles are mostly manufactured to withstand higher amounts of wear and tear. If you fix floor tiles on wall, because of larger size and heavy weight, they may fall over a period of time. Hence it is not recommended. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.